Germany. Land of beer, pretzels, and unbelievably fast cars. Two titans emerged from this automotive haven, the Mercedes AMG C63 and the Audi RS7 Performance. Both are honed for performance, boasting aggressive styling and monstrous engines. But which one reigns supreme? Only a drag race can settle this epic showdown. Buckle up, petrol heads, it's about to get loud. From the hallowed halls of Falterbach, the Mercedes AMG C63 emerges. A true testament to the art of performance engineering. A beast lies beneath its sculpted hood, waiting to be unleashed on the open road. A handcrafted 4-liter twin-turbocharged V8, meticulously assembled by master craftsmen. This masterpiece of German engineering churns out a monstrous 469 horsepower, delivering an exhilarating driving experience. Enough to make your heart skip a beat and your adrenaline surge. 0 to 60 miles per hour, it accomplishes this feat in a mere 4 seconds flat, a testament to its raw power and engineering prowess. This is a car that devours asphalt and spits fire, leaving a trail of awe in its wake. The C63 is a driver's car, raw and untamed, designed for those who crave the thrill of the drive. But don't let the brute force fool you. Beneath its aggressive exterior lies a sophisticated machine. The C63 is also a precision instrument, capable of navigating the tightest corners with ease. Its lightning-fast transmission and razor-sharp handling make it a force to be reckoned with on any track, providing an unparalleled driving experience. This is a wolf in sheep's clothing, a car that combines elegance with ferocity, ready to unleash its fury on unsuspecting prey, leaving them in the dust as it roars past with unbridled power. Hailing from Ingolstadt, the Audi RS7 Performance is a different beast altogether. This car is not just another luxury sedan, it's a statement of engineering prowess and design excellence. This is a car that oozes sophistication and power in equal measure. Every curve, every line, and every detail has been meticulously crafted to create a vehicle that stands out in any crowd. Under the hood, a 4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 produces a staggering 621 horsepower. This engine is a marvel of modern engineering, delivering power smoothly and efficiently. That's right, 621 horses, all raring to go. The power is immediate and exhilarating, making every drive an adventure. 0 to 60 miles per hour, a mind-bending 3.7 seconds. This kind of acceleration is usually reserved for supercars, but the RS7 Performance brings it to the luxury sedan segment. The RS7 Performance is not just about brute force, it's about intelligent performance. Advanced technology ensures that power is delivered precisely when and where it's needed. Its Quattro all-wheel drive system provides unparalleled traction, launching it off the line like a rocket. Whether on wet roads or dry, the RS7 maintains its composure and grip. This is a car that effortlessly blends luxury and performance, a true grand tourer with a ferocious bite. Inside, the cabin is a sanctuary of comfort and cutting-edge technology, making every journey a pleasure. Gentlemen, start your engines, the stage is set. The air crackles with anticipation. The AMG C63 and the Audi RS7 Performance stand poised on the tarmac, engines snarling like caged beasts. The drivers, adrenaline coursing through their veins, rev their engines, sending a thunderous roar echoing through the air. The smell of burning rubber and high-octane fuel hangs heavy in the air. This is it, the moment of truth. The green light flashes, and the cars explode off the line. Neck and neck to the finish line. The C63 with its rear-wheel drive setup struggles for grip initially. The RS7 with its all-wheel drive advantage rockets off the line, taking an early lead. But the C63 is gaining momentum. Its V8 roars with fury as it closes the gap. The two cars are now neck and neck, a blur of speed and sound. The drivers, their faces etched with concentration, push their machines to the limit. Every gear change, every twitch of the steering wheel could be the difference between victory and defeat. The finish line is in sight. Who will claim victory? A champion crowned, legends made. This is the moment where dreams are realized and history is written in the annals of motorsport. The Audi RS7 Performance, with its superior power and traction, crosses the finish line a fraction of a second ahead of the C63. It's a testament to engineering excellence and the relentless pursuit of speed. A cheer erupts from the crowd. The energy is electric, the excitement palpable. Fans from all walks of life unite in their love for the sport. The RS7 has triumphed, but the C63 put up one hell of a fight. Both drivers pushed their machines to the absolute limit, showcasing their skill and determination. Both cars have proven their mettle. They are not just vehicles, they are marvels of modern engineering, designed to thrill and inspire. They are true titans of the tarmac, each one a masterpiece, representing the pinnacle of automotive performance and design. So there you have it, folks. A race that will be remembered for years to come, a battle of giants that has left an indelible mark on the racing world. An epic showdown for the ages, the kind of race that fuels our passion for speed and competition. But remember, speed is just a number. What truly matters is the experience, the thrill of the drive, and the stories we create along the way. Both the AMG C63 and the Audi RS7 Performance offer an exhilarating driving experience that is sure to leave you breathless. The roar of the engine, the grip of the tires, the sheer adrenaline rush. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have a sudden urge to go for a drive. There's nothing quite like the open road and the promise of adventure, preferably in something with a V8 and a heavy right foot, the kind of car that makes your heart race and your spirit soar. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more automotive mayhem. Stay tuned for more thrilling races, in-depth reviews, and all things automotive.